What is a faceless YouTube channel? A faceless YouTube channel is just like any other YouTube channel. The only difference is that the channel creator or owner does not show their face in their videos. Faceless YouTube channels are quite common, and often we don't even realize that a channel is faceless because we're so used to watching those channels and their style of content. Faceless YouTube channels may use voiceovers, animations, screen recordings, or other visuals to convey their content without revealing their actual faces. Faceless channels are common in many niches, including educational content, motivation videos, famous quotations, history, travel, gaming, animation, DIYs, and so many more. In fact, pick any niche or topic and you can make a faceless YouTube channel. We will discuss this in much greater detail when we cover niches. Let me show you some of these faceless YouTube channels. The first channel we are going to show you is a motivational channel. It's called Red Frost Motivation. This is a faceless YouTube channel. It has 1.9 million subscribers. Now that's a lot of subscribers for a faceless channel. Let's check some of the videos out here. Let's check out these videos, which are about life poetry. Just check the number of views. 4.7 million, 1.8 million, 6.7 million, 5.9 million. Now that's a lot of views for a faceless YouTube channel. Let's click on a video and see if they are showing their face or not. The Art of War has 7.5 million views. We are going to check this video out.
He wins his battles by making no mistakes. Making no mistakes is what establishes the certainty of victory, for it means conquering an enemy that is already defeated. Hence, the skillful fighter.
As you can see, there is no background music and no visual effects here. There is a voiceover which is being used for the narration. There is no face shown here in the video, but it has over 7 million views. The next faceless YouTube channel we are going to explore is called Turopia. It has over 1.4 million subscribers, not bad once again for a faceless channel. This channel features the best places to visit in different countries around the world. Let's explore this channel. Take a closer look at their popular videos. You have 25 Greatest Natural Wonders of the World, which has over 23 million views. Next, we have 25 Best Places to Visit in Europe, which has over 10 million views. Then, we have 25 Best Places to Visit in the USA. It has nearly 9 million views. That's just amazing. Not bad for a faceless channels. The channel owner has not shown his face. Let's click on one of the videos and see them.
Massive glaciers, staggering mountains, plains dotted with wild animals. We sure live in a big, beautiful world. And while pinpointing all of Mother Nature's greatest...
Let's pause this video. Just like the previous YouTube channel, they are not showing their face and instead utilize visuals, which are readily available on the internet. They've incorporated a voiceover and added some light background music. And surprisingly, they've amassed over 23 million views without even showing their face. Let's take a look at another channel. This one is called Super Easy Drawings. It has over 567,000 subscribers. It shows you drawing videos for kids. It teaches you how to draw a cake, a house, a cat, and stuff like that. Let's go over to the popular videos. As you can see here, drawing and coloring Papa Pig with her family. This one video has over 23 million views. The next one is how to draw a birthday cake and has 8.5 million views. How to draw an elephant and color has 6 million views. This is yet another great example of a faceless YouTube channel. There are literally thousands of YouTube channels in which the content creators do not show their face. I could show you 100 plus channels with same concept repeated over and over again, but we have to move on to the next chapter in this course. The last channel which I'm going to share with you is called Brightside. It has over 44.6 million subscribers. This channel is about a bunch of different stuff. We are going to directly go to their most popular videos. Just check the number of views on this video, 93 million. And it's about how to survive wild animals' attacks. They are using animations for visuals. The next one is how to solve a Rubik's Cube and has been seen over 65 million times. The number of opportunities for a faceless YouTube channel are endless, but you need to know what and how to do it. This is why you should follow this YouTube masterclass in a systematic way, progressing through each lesson without skipping any of the chapters. Why make a faceless YouTube channel? Here are 10 reasons why to make a faceless YouTube channel. These can also be categorized as the advantages of a faceless YouTube channel. Number 1. YouTube and its content creator economy are huge. YouTube has more than 2 billion users worldwide, making it the second most visited website in the world, the first being Google. Several factors have contributed to this massive growth. For instance, YouTube experienced a significant increase in viewership during the COVID-19 pandemic since people all over the world were spending more time at home due to lockdowns. Therefore, there was a huge surge in demand for online content. Moreover, humans are inherently creative beings, and we have a natural inclination to express and share our creative passions, interests, and hobbies. YouTube serves as the perfect platform for individuals to showcase their creativity to the world. This is why today, YouTube users, just like you and me, collectively view over 1 billion hours of video every day. In other words, an estimated 5 billion YouTube videos are being watched each day. The market size of the YouTube's creator economy today exceeds $104 billion, surpassing the economies of many countries in the world. The potential and scope of YouTube, along with its creator economy, is enormous and continuously growing as more and more people come online worldwide. It would be highly unwise to overlook such a significant opportunity. Number 2. Camera shy or lack of confidence. Believe it or not, you would be amazed how many individuals struggle with camera shyness, the lack of confidence, or simply freeze when facing a camera. It's also quite common for content creators to feel apprehensive about their appearance or how to act naturally on camera. Not everyone is an extrovert by nature, and even those who are may find themselves feeling self-conscious and awkward. When facing a camera, some individuals may initially appear confident, yet their voice may tremble when speaking in front of the camera. These challenges can negatively impact any YouTube channel, particularly one that is just starting out. It is important to remember that viewers are naturally drawn to content creators who appear confident, genuine, and engaging on YouTube. Poor body language, such as lack of eye contact, bad posture, or fidgeting, can make the presenter seem disinterested or untrustworthy, leading to reduced channel engagement. It may also lead to a negative perception of the creator's professionalism, expertise, or even credibility, thereby impacting the channel's ranking and viewership. Creating a faceless YouTube channel is one of the most viable options for those who want to share content without encountering these obstacles. It allows creators to focus on their message and content quality without the added pressure of being on camera. With a faceless YouTube channel, you get the same benefits, just like that of a regular YouTube channel. Number 3. You do not have to invest in costly video or audio equipment and gear. Another advantage of faceless channels is the elimination of the need to invest in costly video or audio equipment. Acquiring a high-quality camera will require a considerable investment, with prices varying from hundreds to thousands of dollars. Additionally, you need to know how to professionally use a digital camera, especially for capturing high-quality footage, which may require you to spend more money on learning how to use the camera. Creating a professional-looking video also requires a suitable background, whether it's a well-designed set or an organized space free from distractions. This may involve considerable investment in lighting equipment, soundproofing materials, and other studio essentials to enhance production quality and maintain viewer engagement. This means spending thousands and thousands of dollars before even a single dollar is generated by your channel. Since a faceless YouTube channel does not require high-end gear, so YouTube creators can focus on content creation without financial constraints. You could literally be in your pajamas and your room a mess, but it would not matter, since no one is going to see you. Don't worry, I'm not in my pajamas and my room's pretty tidy. Well, maybe not that tidy. Number 4. No need to maintain your A game at all times. If you run a YouTube channel where you appear on camera, you must maintain a consistent and engaging presence. In other words, you must have your game face on at all times. However, life often presents numerous challenges, so maintaining your A game in front of a camera 24/7 isn't that easy. There are only 24 hours in a day. You gotta work, eat, sleep, so there is only a limited amount of time that you can give to your channel to record content since you have to show your face. Whenever you create content, you have to make sure that your game face is on. The audience in a YouTube channel that is used to seeing your face will only see content that has you in it. However, a faceless channel allows for a more relaxed approach. You do not have the same stress and performance anxiety associated with traditional YouTube channels since the audience is more tuned to the content that you produce and not your face. Number 5. Faster video editing and creation. Another advantage of a faceless YouTube channel is that video creation and editing is a lot quicker as there is a lot less editing as compared to a channel where you show your face. There is no need to take multiple retakes of the same shot to get the perfect angle, and no concerns about lighting or audio. Number 6. Privacy. There are many content creators who prefer to keep their identity undisclosed online, prioritizing their privacy over all other matters. In the present era, which is characterized by the dominance of artificial intelligence, the value of privacy has grown significantly. Having a faceless channel makes it possible to continue producing content while remaining anonymous to the public at the same time. Earlier, we showed you some examples of faceless YouTube channels. Remember Brightside, which has over 44 million subscribers. The video about how to survive wild animal attacks had over 93 million views. Yet, if we go to the About section on YouTube, there is literally nothing mentioned about the channel owner. They have given a number of links, but no details about who the channel owner is. This is a faceless YouTube channel, no details about the channel owner, yet it has over 11 billion views. Number 7. A faceless YouTube channel is easily scalable. One of the major advantages of faceless YouTube channels is the ability to launch and maintain multiple YouTube channels at the same time. You can also monetize these channels, leading to the generation of multiple income streams. This is all achievable because your YouTube channel is not constrained by the necessity to show your face. Consequently, you can easily outsource video production through freelancers. Don't worry, we will discuss this and how to do it in great detail further on in this YouTube masterclass. This is why in a faceless YouTube channel, there is no limitation on the amount of video content that you can create and upload on your channel. Therefore, it is quite common to find 5 to 7 videos uploaded regularly on a daily basis. Using the same example of Brightside, let's check the videos that they have uploaded today. I have zoomed the screen so you can see it better. Just scroll down here. In the last 24 hours, they have uploaded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one makes 7 videos. Wow! Do you think it's possible for one person to make 7 separate videos on totally unrelated topics in one day? You have to do the research first, then write a script, add a voiceover, add animation, background music, then edit it. Come up with a title, thumbnail picture, and only then can you post it on YouTube. Relying on freelancers to produce content for a faceless YouTube channel is a common strategy followed by many channel owners. However, before you start outsourcing content creation, it is important to understand the fundamental of creating content yourself, which will be covered in great detail as we proceed further in this masterclass. By creating high-quality content, you can easily build a following just like any other channel. A faceless YouTube channel is easily scalable, and over time, your channel evolves into a recognizable brand, characterized by its unique style, expertise, and value proposition. Number 8. YouTube's viewership extends globally, crossing national borders. YouTube's audience is global, transcending national borders, spanning regions like the Americas, Asia, India, Australia, and Europe. YouTube is available in more than 80 different languages and is localized in more than 100 countries. YouTube has a truly worldwide audience and global reach. For example, India has the most YouTubers with over 462 million individuals. YouTube viewers in India actively engage with content from both their own country and other Western and European nations. Therefore, it is quite common for faceless YouTube channel owners to translate their videos into different languages, such as Spanish, Hindi, and Arabic. By translating your content into other languages, like Spanish, you can tap into a larger and more diverse audience demographics worldwide. Let me show a practical example of this. This is a faceless YouTube channel called TED. It has nearly 20 million subscribers and is an educational channel. As you can see from the videos uploaded, it is a faceless YouTube channel. They have used animations in all of the videos.
Every day, the sands of the Sahara Desert reach temperatures up to 80 degrees Celsius. Stretching over roughly 9 million square kilometers, this massive desert...
Let's go down to the end of the page. Here, under Featured Channels, they have given the links of TED but in different languages. This channel is in Spanish. This channel is in Thai language. Here we have German, and this is in Hindi, and wait, there's more. This is Japanese, Mandarin. Here we have Arabic, and this is in Hebrew. TED is a faceless YouTube channel, which is using its English language content from its main page, but has translated it into more than 10 languages. I have opened one of the pages in a different tab. Let's check it out. This is TED, but in Spanish.
Panel de prestigiosos teólogos, juristas y matemáticos. El virrey de la Nueva España los había invitado para examinar su conocimiento planteándole las preguntas más difíciles.
This expanded reach can lead to increased viewership and engagement and help maximize the global impact of your videos. It will ultimately play a major role in contributing to additional monetization opportunities. With a faceless YouTube channel, it is also easier for viewers to relate to your content, especially after translation into local languages. Therefore, by providing subtitles and dubbing into multiple languages, you can create additional revenue streams by using exactly the same content. You do not need to create separate content for each country. This is a very good example of YouTube's global reach, transcending national borders. It is also a good example of the ease of scalability of YouTube by using the same content but translated into different languages. This is a strategy used in practice by many successful YouTube content creators. Number 9. Content on YouTube stays relevant over longer periods, enabling continuous monetization. Uploading content on YouTube as compared to other social media platforms like Instagram Stories or TikTok has its advantages. Instagram Stories or TikTok videos typically have a shorter lifespan, 24 hours or a few days, whereas YouTube videos have the potential for long-term visibility. They continue to attract views, generate ad revenue, and bring in new subscribers, months or even years after they are published. We have said this many times in this course that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. People use YouTube to find videos for solutions to their problems and issues that they face on a daily basis. For example, how to tie a tie or how to change a car's tire or battery. Since YouTube's content remains relevant over time, people continue to watch videos created years ago if they address common problems or provide valuable information. For example, tutorials on how to tie a tie or how to change a tire may be a decade old, yet they still serve a purpose and help millions of viewers facing these everyday challenges. As you can see here, both these videos have over 32 million views. Both videos are faceless, and both are still generating views and revenue for the channel owners. These videos are still showing up in the search results of YouTube, even after 16 years. It does not get any better than this. This is the unique aspect of YouTube, where you continue to earn money as long as your video attracts more viewers. Therefore, well-optimized videos have the potential to rank in YouTube search results, and in many cases, even in Google search results, driving organic traffic to the creator's channel over time and enabling monetization over longer periods of time. This is the key difference between YouTube and other social media platforms, which lies in the longevity and searchability of its content, as well as enabling monetization over longer periods of time. Number 10. A faceless YouTube channel gives you the ultimate freedom. A faceless YouTube channel gives you the ultimate freedom in terms of location and time, especially when compared to a traditional 9-to-5 job or even an online business. A faceless YouTube channel gives you location freedom, as you can work from any place in the globe. All you need is a laptop and internet access. You could be in a beach in Thailand or sipping coffee at Starbucks at an airport. It also provides you time freedom, meaning you can create content on your own terms. Since it's not a 9-to-5 job, you have the flexibility to create and upload content at any time of the day or night, allowing for greater control over your schedule and lifestyle. Operating a faceless YouTube channel also allows you to remain anonymous, giving you the freedom to express yourself without revealing your identity.